In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a community post on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. Then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account. If you are not, tap right here, enter your email and password, and once you've done that, all you have to do is just tap right here at that plus sign and then select create a post. That will open up your camera roll. From here we can choose and attach any picture to our post. We can select it just by tapping on it, just like that, and then hit add next. We can add some text, filters and stickers to the particular picture, then hit add next, and also we can write down some text message here, just like that. Also, we can add multiple images. You can add up to 5 images to a community post. To do that, we can tap right here, and then we can choose multiple photos and add them to your post in that way. After that, all we have to do in order to post it is just tap right here at post. That's how you can easily make a community post on YouTube.